Is your engine shaking like a leaf and failing to give you the power you need when you step on the gas because of a dead cylinder? If you are staring at a check engine light and a scanner that is reading out the code P0208, you are dealing with a specific malfunction in the injector circuit for cylinder number 8. And ignoring this can lead to poor performance or even catalytic converter damage over time. This is a generic powertrain code, which applies to pretty much any OBD2-equipped vehicle. But knowing that does not fix the car. So let us dig into what is actually happening under the hood. Essentially, your car's computer, known as the PCM, is constantly monitoring the fuel injector for cylinder 8. It acts like a switch. When it wants fuel, it grounds the circuit, pulling the voltage low close to zero, and when it switches off, it expects to see the voltage jump back up near battery levels. If the computer does not see these expected voltage changes, or if it senses that the electrical resistance in the circuit is way too high or too low, it throws this code to alert you that cylinder 8 is not getting the fuel delivery it needs. The symptoms are hard to miss because you will feel a distinct misfire, the engine will run rough, and your acceleration will be sluggish. Before you just run out and buy a new injector, you need to be smart about the diagnosis because the issue could be the injector itself, a break in the wiring, a short circuit, or in rare cases, the computer itself. Start by grabbing a digital volt-ohm meter to check the resistance of the injector itself. If the numbers do not match your manufacturer's specs, then you know the injector is toast and needs replacing. You also need to verify that the connector at the injector is getting power, so check for 10 volts or more on the supply wire. Take a close look at the connector for any broken plastic or frayed wires that might be breaking the connection. If you have an injector tester, use it to see if the injector clicks and operates. But if you do not have fancy tools, here is a mechanic's trick for you. Swap the cylinder 8 injector with one from another cylinder that is working fine. Clear the codes and run the engine. If the trouble code moves to the new cylinder, you know for a fact the injector is bad, but if the code stays at number 8, your problem is likely in the wiring harness or the driver inside the computer. As a final advanced check, if you are comfortable, you can carefully identify the driver wire at the computer connector and momentarily ground it to see if the injector clicks, which tests the integrity of the wire from the computer to the engine, helping you pinpoint exactly where the signal is getting lost, so you can get that engine running smooth again.